Hi, I'm Kevin Wilson, Master Locksmith here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I want to show you the reinforcing plate that we're installing. This is one of my 4 packages of residential security plates. This is a 48-inch steel plate that guards against kick-in attacks for door frames. For the reinforcing plates that go on the door, this is called a door shield. It goes around the lock. You can see I've already installed it underneath the deadbolt here. And this reinforces the door from splitting out when it's kicked in. So this is very important. If you don't reinforce the door and only reinforce the frame, it's going to split. It's like cracking 2 eggs together. One of them's going to break. You don't know which one. Well, when the door is kicked in, one of them is going to break. You don't know which one. Sometimes both. If you reinforce the frame, the door will split. If you reinforce only the door, the frame will split. Because on the frame, you only have a small amount of wood, ½ inch at most, protecting you from the burglar getting in. And if they kick it, all this splits out, even if you have long screws into the strike plate. Then what we do is we put this reinforcing plate right over all of it and strengthens the door frame for 48 inches top to bottom, and it spreads out the kick force to the entire door frame instead of just that one small area where the lock is. And then you have a reinforced door frame that's going to be pretty difficult to kick in. So to prevent home invasions, home intrusion attacks, make your family safer, this is what you need. As I said, this is one of my 4 security packages. I have a 60-inch plate. I'll explain in another video. I have this 48-inch plate. I have the door jamb armor, which is a 5-piece system. And then I have an 18-inch plate as well. Have your door frame repaired or replaced by a professional locksmith. You don't always need a new door. 75% of kicked-in doors can be repaired and reinforced with steel, saving you the cost of installing a brand new door and frame. Save money and improve your security by calling me, Kevin Wilson, Master Locksmith, and my team of carpenters and security technicians whom I personally train and supervise on every job. Call the number on the screen.